Excel Church, we want to give opportunities for you to take part in missions trips. So we've got one coming up for you in June. If you are interested in missions and you'd like to come along with us from the 18th of June for a 6-day missions trip to northern Spain, to Asturias, then please pick up an application pack from the welcome desk. But be aware that you need to get that application form and your deposit back by the end of January. So that's our missions trip to northern Spain. Pick up a pack if you're interested. Gentlemen, this one is just for you. We've got a Courageous Men event for you on the 1st of February, that's a Saturday, and it's starting at 7 p.m. If you'd like to come along for food, for fun, for games, and just hanging out with other men, then you can come along. The tickets are £7, 7 till 9 on the 1st of Feb. Men, come along, be encouraged and have fun together. If you're interested in being part of our worship team, then we've got some auditions coming up for you on Sunday, the 2nd of February at 4 p.m. So if you'd like to come along and maybe you fancy yourself as a bit of a singer or you can play an instrument, please come and join our worship team auditions on the 2nd of Feb. Have you ever wanted to throw an axe at someone, and are you aged 16 to 35? Then we've got something just for you, because our live event is going to be axe throwing on the 15th of February. That's for anyone aged 16 to 35, and you can come along to that, get some practice in at chucking them axes. If you want to come along, then you need to get your deposit in of £5.50 by the 2nd of February. You can speak to Will for more information about the axe throwing. On Sunday the 9th of February, we'll be having our next baptismal service. So if you're a follower of Jesus and you haven't yet taken this important step, then why not sign up today? You can speak to one of our church leaders or pick up a leaflet from the foyer for more information about baptism. This Thursday, we've got our Next Steps discipleship course starting. It's just a short 3-week course for new believers, young or old, it doesn't matter what age you are. You can come along and find out what the next steps are now that you've decided to follow Jesus. So if you want to come along, it's starting at 7:30 and you can sign up either at the welcome desk or online. Our next leadership development night is coming up on the 29th of January, and everybody's welcome to come along. We've got guest speaker John Jarvis from One Church in Gloucester who is going to be joining us, and it's starting at 7:30, but refreshments are going to be served before the meeting, so make sure you come along nice and early if you want to grab yourself a coffee beforehand. Everyone's welcome to come along. We hope you can join us for that leadership development night. Prayer is really important to us here at Excel Church, so we're inviting you to come along to a special prayer meeting that we're having on the 25th of January from 9 till 11 a.m. Please come along and help us to pray for the year ahead at Excel Church. Our next big outreach event is going to be with Mark Ritchie, who is coming to do his comedy show Bob's Not My Uncle, and that is going to be on Saturday the 14th of March at 7 p.m. Now we're getting you to invite all your friends and family along. Tickets are going to be just £5 and it's aimed at everyone who is at high school and above really. So we want you to come along, support this, get your friends and family here to hear the gospel through the comedy of Mark Ritchie. Thing to let you know about before we go, which is our prayer and Bible study this Wednesday at 7:30. We'd hope you can come and join us for prayer and Bible study. That's everything for Excel News. Remember, you can check out the website or speak to the welcome team for anything that's going on here. Have a great week.